Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable auto rotate in the quick settings. So we're going to swipe from this side right here. We're going to swipe one more time, and here we have it. As you guys can see, it says auto rotate off right now, so click on it and make sure that it's white and black and not black and gray. Now it says that auto rotate is on, and what are we going to do next is we're going to tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So let me just grab it. We're going to open up Chrome first. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. Move on to messages, also works fine. Now the phone also works fine, and let's say clock also works fine. So for me, the gyroscope definitely works perfectly fine, but if it's not working for you, then what I would recommend you to do is restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, let's enter the password if you have one. And after that, what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software. So let's open up settings. Here, scroll down to system and click on system updates. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. Where you have the check for update button right here, you will have an option to download and install the latest version if you're not on the latest one already. And that's it for the video, so I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.